You're bothering me. How much more can I pull over for? Yeah. How much more do you need? I'm just trying to go for a walk. I'm not real happy about all the construction, and then this guy pulls me over.
Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
No, I don't have to stay in the car. I don't have to stay in the car.
What's your problem?
You're
driving by, you're over here giving gang signs, flipping me off.
Gang signs? You don't even... Dude, your Taos education has failed you.
So what's going on?
Your high school education and Taos has failed you.
I need your driver's license.
No, you don't. I don't have to give you nothing.
I do.
I didn't break the law. I didn't do nothing. I'm in my car.
You're taking your hands off the wheel. That's careless driving.
No, dude.
Yeah,
you're making stuff up.
Ma'am.
No.
License,
go away.
Registration,
Call
insurance.
your supervisor.
License,
call your
insurance.
supervisor.
No.
Yeah, call your supervisor because you know you're wrong, dude. I fucking read law for bedtime stories. Yes, I do.
Then practice it.
I didn't do anything
practice
wrong.
it.
Go away.
Your hands were off the wheel.
I got one hand on the wheel.
So that's careless.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Ma'am,
No, you don't. You can't. You are arguing with me. Go away.
I need your
I'm
license.
gonna go. No, you don't get nothing from me. I didn't break the law.
No.
You pulled me over because you don't like my attitude. That is not unlawful.
I saw your
go
hands off
away.
the wheel.
No, I did not have both hands off the wheel. You could not see in my vehicle. You were behind me. Go away.
And what were you doing?
I'm trying to go for a walk.
One hand was off the wheel.
Because bureaucrats are annoying.
Oh.
Yes,
well,
go away.
You're the one that's causing
go
all
away.
this attention.
I'm trying to go for a walk and I'm being harassed by a little cousin. So go away.
A little cousin.
Yeah, go away.
Okay, whatever.
Go away.
Ma'am, I need your license.
You don't get my license. I didn't do anything wrong. You couldn't see inside my car. You're behind me. You're making things up.
No, ma'am.
I don't appreciate you. I'm a female veteran. I just try to take care of my mother and go out for a walk a couple times a week. And then you're bothering me.
And I'm telling
go
you,
away.
The reason for the stop. Ma'am, if you leave, I'll have more deputies on your ass.
Get the fuck out of my car, bitch. You can't get into my fucking car. Get out of my fucking car. You are not allowed to open my car, dude. You open my car? You open my car? I got it all, dude.
Driver stopped while walking. Officer cites careless driving and demands license. Civilian, a veteran with PTSD, refuses and accuses harassment. Use this clip to teach concise rights language, how to calmly refuse unnecessary searches, and insist on an officer's lawful basis immediately.
I got it all. You're wasting your time. You're wasting my time. I only have so much time that I can leave my mother.
Well, let me see your license.
No! Go away!
Ma'am, you want to go see a judge right now?
Dude, I didn't do anything wrong. You have no probable cause.
I'm telling you the probable cause.
No, you're making stuff up, dude. That's what you small town sheriffs do.
No,
you don't like somebody and then you freaking give them a hard time because you don't like somebody. That's egomaniacal. That has nothing to do with God, dude. Check this out. I'm even a pastor, dude. You're freaking giving clergy a hard time.
Look how you're acting.
Because I got PTSD and I'm being harassed by a little badge. That's why. I've been to war, dude. I was in Operation Iraqi bullshit, and that's why all this is so stupid.
That's cool, dude.
No, go away. Just go in your car and wait till your supervisor. Get away from me. I don't have to listen to you.
Can I talk to you like a reasonable?
Escalation. Officer force. Opens the vehicle door while the civilian records and asserts First Amendment rights. This clip highlights illegal search risk. Why you should loudly state, "I do not consent to searches," and how continuous recording documents officer misconduct for complaints or legal use.
Person.
Go ahead, say everything you gotta say.
So, ma'am, the whole reason for the stop was because I saw you have your hands off the wheel. You can give me all the gestures you want, okay? That doesn't bother me. But when you take your hands off the wheel, that's a concern. That's careless driving. That's why I pulled you over, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So all I'm gonna ask, ma'am, is you just keep your hands on the wheel, okay?
Okay.
You continue on with your day, all right?
All right, have a good one.
I'm just going up to the Camel Rock Studios.
Okay.
How you doing?
Good, I'm doing good.
Good. You got your back to that guy.
I know.
You might have a gun.
Yeah, because I'm worried about you.
Oh.
I have other guys watching him.
Oh, okay,
You
cool.
can go ahead and keep walking.
Okay, cool. You a local police or state
We're
police?
tribal.
Oh, you're tribal.
Yeah, how can we help you?
Oh, no, I'm just checking things out, that's all.
Okay.
Yeah, appreciate it though.
You need to stay out of our area, this scene area, because you're in the middle of a scene right now.
Oh, it's a scene?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right, is the ramp closed?
that way.
Is the ramp closed then?
No, it's not closed.
Oh, cool. I'll stay on the ramp then.
Okay.
Thanks. So you want me on that side of the road?
Well, anywhere around here, he's going to be in this area.
I'll be happy to go where you want. That side of the road is better for you guys?
You go around.
No, I can stay and record you.
Yeah, but not in this
But,
area.
You're on federal land right now.
You're on federal property.
Oh, am I? Okay.
So,
Okay, so this road.
Head back that way, please.
Go that way.
So this road right
Where
here.
you came from. Back,
So
walk back
so this
that way.
road right here I can't be on?
Yes, sir.
The public isn't allowed on that road?
This is all federal property. You
Okay.
can walk back that way.
Okay, so the freeway ramp is federal property?
You're everything. This is all tribal land.
Okay.
Walk.
Including the freeway?
Yes, sir.
Tell you what. I think you're wrong.
Keep walking.
All right, I'll go over here.
Yeah, you do that.
What's that? Hey man, you're on tribal land, you gotta go. They said. I'm just trying to make sure you don't get in trouble. That's all. She said, all right, cool. No problem, man. Little lady's got a mouth on her over there. What's that? James. Good.
Doing all right?
Yeah. What's your name?
So, yeah, with everything going around. All right. So, just want to film, or what's?
Yeah, that's all.
What's
Yeah.
it for anyway? Anything
Just watching her, cause she's mouthy.
All right. Hey, let's try to be respectful.
Well, I don't have to be respectful when she told me that I can't be here to record, and she lied to me about whether it's public property or not. So respectful would be not lying to the public about what they can and can't do. So I do appreciate your respect, but this over here earned no respect. Okay. So, I mean, and the little punk in the other car, he didn't earn it either. So you've earned my respect. So I'll call you sir. And
Follow-up. Tribal officers clarify jurisdiction, and the civilian relocates where allowed. Later, the auditor apologizes and offers flowers, a rare de-escalation moment. Use this section to show how simple courtesy, clear boundaries, and continued recording can diffuse tension and correct misinformation about public access.
my name is James, sir, and she hasn't, so I'll call her.
James or sir?
What's that?
Do you prefer James or sir?
Oh, anything. Honestly, I don't care what you call me. I don't care if you call me bitch. Honestly, I'm not the type to get offended about that
All
stuff.
right, James. Can you do me a favor, though, please?
Probably not, but what do you... What's
well,
up?
Just let these guys do their investigation.
No problem.
And then,
no problem. I wouldn't have even spoken if I wasn't spoken to.
All right.
And I get, I had to come from that direction, so I was happy to go where you guys are more comfortable with, as long as I can get the shot. And
James.
cool. Appreciate you, brother. Is this federal land right here too, ma'am? Miss Lopez. Miss Lopez, I just wanted to say sorry for calling you the B word, and I picked you some flowers. There's not a lot of good options out here, but I got the best I could. I just want to say sorry. That's all, Miss Lopez. Okay. Hey, earlier I called Miss Lopez a this female officer right here, and I just wanted to give her a flower and say sorry.
You want me to hand it to her?
Yeah, will you? Sure. Yeah, just tell her I'm sorry I called her the B word.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'd have found a prettier flower, but there's not much here.
Right here.
Okay, thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Now, it might not seem like it, but the main job of the police should be to enforce the law and protect our rights. But what we see? Cops ignoring the law to enforce feelings, and a complete lack of respect for the Constitution. From lying to forcefully open the car door, violating the Fourth Amendment, this is just the tip of the iceberg. And that is why it is so important for you to know your rights and to help us to bring awareness to the rest of the public. So don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment to reach more people. And remember, always record the police.
This compilation shows a pattern you see too often. Officers asserting broad, sometimes incorrect authority, citizens pushing back, and the scene either escalating or resolving depending on communication and documentation. There are 3 practical lessons here viewers should take away. First, keep your lines short and repeatable. When you're being stopped or confronted, use a short script. Am I being detained? Am I free to leave? I am recording. I do not consent to searches. Short lines do 3 things. They force the officer to answer directly. They limit the scope for argument, and they create a clear, repeatable record on camera. Long monologues invite interruption and escalate. Second, preserve evidence. The moment you start filming, keep filming. Don't hand your phone to anyone. Don't delete footage in public. Immediately back up important clips off device, email to yourself, cloud upload, as soon as you can. If officers force an interaction, like opening a car door or physically touching you, that footage becomes critical for complaint investigations and any later civil remedy. Third, choose de-escalation when possible. This video ends with a productive exchange. Jurisdiction is clarified, and the auditor makes a small, human gesture. Apology, pilus flowers. That movement from adversarial to humanized interaction demonstrates that accountability doesn't always require confrontation. When officers are professional, identifying themselves, explaining the legal basis for their actions, compliance and calm often follow. When they aren't, documentation and follow-up complaints are the safer path to accountability than matching aggression. A few tactical tips before you go out. Know local jurisdiction quirks, tribal, federal, municipal, so you can quickly verify claims about federal land or crime scene. Learn the simplest legal standards in your area. What constitutes reasonable suspicion, what triggers a lawful demand for ID, and what consent means. And always, always stay safe. Prioritize distance, avoid physical struggle, and use your recording as your first line of defense. Final thought. Viral clips are useful, but they're only the start. Turn footage into change by filing complaints, sharing verified clips with oversight organizations, and educating others. That's how public visibility becomes systemic accountability.